Welcome to my channel Cooking Canvas UK. Today I'm making puff pastry filled with fresh cream and fresh strawberries. Please subscribe my channel and press the notification button so you can not miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's start the recipe. I'm using ready to roll pastry sheet today. Spread the pastry sheet on the surface like this. I have decided to use the triangular shape, so I cut down my sheet into equal 10 pieces of triangle. Now placing them on the baking sheet. I'm coating the upper surface of the pastry with the egg wash. Now put them into a preheat oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. See how beautifully they turn out. They are so fluffy, they are so crispy as well. Now let them cool on a wire rack. For filling, I take 600 ml double cream. Put them in a bowl and adding 3 to 4 heaped icing sugar spoons. See, the cream pack says 600 ml, and start to beat it with the electric whisk. We will beat the cream until we get the soft and fluffy peaks. Now I am adding a half teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can add extract as well. See, this is the perfect consistency we need for our filling. I take the piping bag and put the large nozzle into it and put all the cream. Now take one piece of pastry puff and put the cream with the help of piping bag and nozzle on it like this. Fill up half of the pastry puffs with the cream. I will also put the fresh strawberries cut into pieces. Now gently place the fresh strawberries over the cream. Putting some more cream on strawberries. Now cover the fresh cream and strawberries with the remaining puff pastry pieces like this. Gently press them so they can stick together. Dust them with icing sugar now. They are looking so beautiful, and in eating they are so delicious and yummy. This is the favorite dish in our house at a tea time. If you do like the video, please give thumbs up and share it. See you in next video. Till then, bye.